Hello everyone. So here we are back with one more question, a very important one from the past papers of IGCSE. This question belongs to quadratic and differentiation, and as you can see in the question that first we need to find points A, B, C, the coordinates, and then we'll move forward to differentiate the same function and then another question based on the same. So let us begin with the first part. Now here if you see that we have a quadratic which is 18 plus 5x minus 2x square. We need to factorize it if it is possible, or else we will go with the formula method. Okay, but before beginning with that calculation we can get the coordinate of b. B is y-intercept, and y-intercept is obtained by putting x is equal to 0 in the equation. So if I put x is equal to 0, then y will be 18. So we can say that 0, 18 is the coordinate of point B. Okay, that I can fill over here, 0, 18. One part is done. Now let's think upon how to get A and C. Now looking at the quadratic, we will first give it a try that if it is possible we will factorize it. From factors we can get A and B because A and C are the roots. Okay, roots, so we can also call them as x-intercept. So for x-intercept we generally put y is equal to 0. So I can rewrite this thing as negative 2x square plus 5x plus 18 is equal to 0. That is my beginning. Now multiplying both sides by -1 so that I can do it properly will give me this. Okay, now this is ready to be processed. Now we will just see that if factors are possible, then it will be 2 and 18. Then 18 can be further split it up into 2. 2 is already there. The 18 will be written as 2 times 3 times 3. And then from here we can see that 3 3s are 9 and 4. 9 and 4 can give me 5. Okay, so I will write it down as 2x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 18 is equal to 0. From the first two terms only x is common, so 2x minus 9. From the next two terms 2 is common, so 2x minus 9. Now over here this is a very crucial step. These two brackets should be same. If they are same we are going good. So 2x minus 9 is a common bracket and x plus 2 is a leftover. Leftover is this x and plus 2. That is what I have written over here. So from here when we will solve, we will get the value of x as 9 by 2 or negative 2. As per the location, it is quite evident that a will be the negative one. So minus 2 comma 0 is a, and c will be the positive one. So it will be 9 by 2 or 4.5 comma 0. So this ends our first part of the question. This was all about solving a quadratic equation, nothing very difficult. But yeah, conceptually you should know these two things, that y-intercept is obtained by what, x-intercept is obtained by what. Okay, moving on to the next part of this question. Now here we need to differentiate this. Okay, now for differentiation all we need to know is this formula. If I want to differentiate x to the power n, then it will be n x to the power n minus 1. So first term is a constant, differentiation of constant is 0, so it will be just 0. Then differentiation of 5x will be 5 times 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. I'm using this formula. Okay, x to the power 1 will be 1 x to the power 1 minus 1 minus 2 as it is. X square will be written as 2 x to the power 2 minus 1. So it will be 5 x to the power 0 is 1, so it will be just 5 minus 4x. So 5 minus 4x is the differentiation. And then finally we'll come to the application question where we need to find the coordinates of the point where gradient is 17. Now you must know that dy by dx is gradient. Okay, this you don't have to include in the answer, it is just for you, I'm writing. So we already have 5 minus 4x as dy by dx, and that is equal to 17. On simplification that will give me 5 minus 17 is equal to 4x. 4x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to minus 3. All I need to do is put x is equal to minus 3 in this. So y is equal to 18 plus 5 times minus 3 minus 2 times minus 3 squared. 18 minus 15 minus 2 times 3 minus 3 squared is 9. Okay, that minus sign will also go because of square. So finally we have 18 minus 15 minus 18. 18 and 18 will get cancelled. We will be left with just minus 15. So the coordinate for this will be minus 3 comma minus 15. Okay, so here we are done with all three parts of this question. This question was very conceptual, but it was quite easy. If you know the concept, if you are clear in your head that how to proceed with it, then it is not difficult. It is very easy to gain almost 5 and 4, 9 marks. So just imagine. Okay, so see you in the next video with another topic of past paper questions.